All right, in question number 24, we're going to be taking a look at how to solve a system of rational and absolute value equations graphically. All right, so how do you solve systems graphically? We're going to be using our Texas Instruments TI-84 to solve this system of equations. So let me write down what a system of equations are first, and then we're going to solve it. Okay. So we have one function on the left, the rational, and an absolute value function on the right. So what we're going to do to solve this graphically is set y equal to both of them. So the first equation is y equals 1 over 1 minus x squared. And then the second one is y equals negative absolute value of 3x minus 2 plus 5. So a system of equations are two or more equations with related unknowns. All right? So you can see the x's and the y's as the related unknowns. Now, if you have a system of equations like this and you want to solve it graphically, there is something that you have to remember. Recall the following concerning the graphical solutions to a system. Graphical solution. So what you want to remember is that the graphical solution to a system of equations are the points of intersection. So wherever you have a point of intersection between the two or more functions that you graphed, those points of intersection represent the solutions. This problem is asking us for how many solutions. So based on what we wrote right here, what we're looking for is the following. Number of solutions is equivalent to the number of what? Number of intersections. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to graph these two functions, and then we're going to look for the number of intersections between the two, and that will tell us the number of solutions. Okay, all right, so fire up your TI graphing calculator. The first is irrational. We have 1 divided by parentheses 1 minus x to the second power. Close that. Enter. Second is an absolute value function. Put a negative, not minus, negative. For absolute value, press second function catalog. There goes your catalog button right there. Second function catalog. ABS is absolute value, so hit that. ABS 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2, close that, plus 5. Enter. Okay, so we have the two graphs. We're going to graph them right now. So there goes the rational, and there goes the absolute value. All right, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to use a zoom box to zoom in a little bit into the regions that the intersections are, so we can have a better view of what's going on. And then we can count the number of intersections that there are. Okay, let's zoom that down. All right, so capturing all the intersections. Let's zoom it in a little bit. All right, there goes your rational, and there goes your absolute value function. Okay, I just took a snapshot of the region we just graphed, so I just took a snapshot of this region right here. All right, so we're looking for the intersections. Do you see the intersections between the two functions? You have one intersection hit there, 2, 3, 4. What does that tell us? We have 4 intersections. That automatically means that we have 4 solutions. All right, so let's write that down. Since there are 4 points of intersection, that implies that there are going to be how many? There are 4 solutions to this system. Okay, and then if you look at the options that we have here, the answer to question number 24 is option number 4. Now, a question that I have for you: why do you think it's beneficial to be able to solve systems of equations using a calculator? Well, I would like to know what you think. Post your answer in the comment section below. Let's know your insights concerning why it's beneficial to be able to solve a system of equations using a graphing calculator. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. I really appreciate it. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your preparation for the upcoming Regents exam, do give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for updates to the remainder of this review series. If you have any special requests for any math problems you'd like to have us solve or any question in general, just post it in the comment section below and we'll be more than glad to respond. Don't forget to check our website, mathgotserved.com, under New York Regents for other updates and great review resources for your Regents exam. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.